Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to tell you how you can easily download any HD image without watermark. So let's go to Shutterstock website. Okay, and this is how Shutterstock website look like. So let's search for any image. You can search any image that you want. So I am searching here artificial intelligence. So here it is. You can see there are a lot of images, so these are all good quality images. So let's select one, and as you can see that it has a watermark, Shutterstock. So and we need to download this image without watermark. So what we are going to do, just copy the link of this image and then go to another tab, just paste to make sure that the link is the same, the one we have already copied. Yes, it is the same. Okay, so we already have that link. So let's go to the Nohat.cc. Okay, I think this one, or yes, this is one. This is the one. And at the right you can see that find stock. Click on that find stock, and just the link you have copied from Shutterstock you need to paste here. Search login to do this action. Okay, we just need to sign up or login. So just I will sign in with Google. Choose your account and just you need to add your username and your password. Okay, just go to find stock, and the link we have already copied we can paste here, and we will do search. Boom, that's the image we have to download it without watermark. Okay, as you can see, if I save this image, it is not in the format like PNG or JPG. So what we will gonna do is just we will use this snipping tool. Just take a good screenshot of that using snipping tool and save this file. But as you can see, this image is not that quality like we have seen on Shutterstock. So now we are going to use one AI tool to make it a better quality. So let's search for Pixelcut. On this website, just try Pixelcut and just go for Upscaler. Here you can easily upload your picture that you have take your screenshot. I have saved that in my desktop, and now you can upscale your image to 2x or 4x. So just upscale it to 4x, and then you can compare with your Shutterstock image and this image that are mostly the same. As it increases its quality, and I will convert it to 4x. Simply download this image, and now we are going to compare both images. This is the one I have downloaded from Pixelcut, and this is the Shutterstock. Maybe I think it's better than Shutterstock. I hope this video is helpful for you all guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and hit the bell icon. Bye bye bye.